Ducati has expanded its RS lineup with the introduction of the new Diavel V4 RS. It is the most powerful motorcycle in the Diavel line and has the fastest acceleration among production motorcycles in Ducati history. To make the motorcycle significantly faster, Italian engineers reduced its total curb weight by 3 kg using carbon fiber elements, and equipped it with an extremely powerful engine from the Panigale V4. The new Diavel V4 RS engine has a displacement of 1,103 cubic centimeters and delivers 182 horsepower at 11,750 RPM, and 120 Nm of torque at 9,500 RPM. This is 14 horsepower more than the standard Diavel V4, allowing it to accelerate to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds, which is a record for Ducati production motorcycles. The price for the new Diavel V4 RS starts at €38,990.